Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Always duplicate the original layer and save a backup as a PSD file. Open image, then image size to inspect dimensions and resolution. Check image resolution and set to 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Convert the layer to a smart object before applying resampling. Crop and remove major artifacts before upscaling to preserve detail. Run camera raw or filter noise, reduce noise at low strength. Save the working file to avoid irreversible changes. Open image size and set resample to preserve details too. 0 for best results. Increase dimensions gradually and test 150% to 200% before larger upscales. Monitor the image in 100% view to judge artifacting and noise. Use the reduce noise slider and set between 10 and 40 to control grain. If faces are present, enable face-aware upscale when offered by Photoshop. Apply the upscale as a smart filter to keep the process editable. Inspect edges and texture after each incremental upscale step. Convert the upscaled smart object to a working layer before sharpening. Use filter sharpen smart sharpen with amount 100% and radius 0. 8:1. 5 pixels for clarity. For selective crispness, duplicate the layer and apply high pass at 1, 0 to 2, 0 pixels, then set blend mode to overlay or soft light. Reduce overall sharpening by lowering the layer opacity to 50 to 70%. Run a light noise reduction pass if grain increased after sharpening. Export the final file as.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.